I have some very cool news, and that is that EPUBs play animated GIFs. So I made a little GIF. I'm going to place it in Command D, and he is called Laundry Line GIF. Go ahead and open my little GIF here. Ooh, that's a little bit big. Let's see. So he is going to just be swinging up here, put him at sort of an angle, and have him kind of make sure that the line is kind of going off the sides. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to Object and Arrange and send to the back so that any text is above him. And now let's go to the preview window. It's clear from the last animation, and let's play this page. And there he is, kind of moving around on the clothesline. So that's another way you can add some pretty cute little animation to something, especially if it's just moving a little bit, just to have a little bit more interest on the page. And that's all there is to that. Super easy.